Hi friends, how are you? I am Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. I hope you are doing well during the eve of pandemic. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change case in MS Word. Okay, like from lowercase to uppercase, or from uppercase to lowercase, or from uppercase to sentence case. So that's all. See, in this paragraph, every single alphabet is in lowercase. So if I want to change this lowercase to uppercase, so you have to just select this paragraph. So click on here. From here, uppercase. See, every single alphabet has been changed from lowercase to uppercase. Okay, and if I want to change this uppercase to sentence case, just select this paragraph, click on here, and from sentence case. Sentence case is actually like this is a sentence. And see, the first alphabet is uppercase and the rest of the alphabets are in lowercase. Okay, and if I want to capitalize every word, that means every word, the first alphabet of every word will be capital. Okay, if I want to do that, select the paragraph and from here click on here, and from here capitalize each word. See, first alphabet of every word has been capitalized. Okay, and if I want to do toggle, see, they have another option, toggle. That means the current condition will be reversed. That means, see, alphabet is uppercase and the rest of the alphabets are in lowercase, so it will be reversed. That means first alphabet will be lowercase and the rest of the alphabets will be in uppercase. Okay, so I'm selecting the portion. From here click on here, and from toggle case. See, that condition has been reversed. First alphabet is in lowercase and the rest of the alphabets are in uppercase. Okay, so in this way you can change the case very easily. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.